Complete English course. Want to learn faster? Check the description below for extra resources. Welcome, everyone, and welcome, Nexo. This is a grammar class about possessive adjectives with S.
Hi, Emma. I am ready to learn.
First, I will show you the lesson structure. Theory, we learn the rules step by step. Examples, we see clear sentences. Quiz, you choose the correct form. Nexo, are you ready to begin?
Yes, I am ready.
Now, we start with the theory.
Great. I will listen carefully.
Basic meaning of S. Use S after a name to show that the next thing belongs to that person. Example, Anna's bag is yellow. Example, Mark's phone is new. The basic form. The form is owner plus S plus thing. Example, Lisa's car is white. Example, David's book is open. People and animals. Use S often with people and animals. Example, the cat's toy is small. Example, the boy's shoes are black. One owner, one or more things. The thing after S can be singular or plural. Example, Sarah's pencil is green. Example, Sarah's pencils are green. Regular plural owners. When a regular plural owner ends in S, add only an apostrophe. Example, the teacher's room is big. Example, the girls' bikes are red. Good work with the theory. Now, examples will make the rule clearer.
I like clear examples.
Paul's jacket is blue. Maria's chair is near the window. The dog's bed is brown. The baby's bottle is full. Tom's hat is on the table. The woman's umbrella is red. Jack's desk is clean. The child's ball is orange. Laura's glasses are on the bed. The students' bags are in the hall. The boy's soccer ball is new. Kevin's camera is black. The bird's nest is in the tree. Sophia's cup is pink. The parent's car is outside. Nice practice with the examples. Now it is quiz time.
I am ready for the quiz.
Choose an option. Anna's. Anna's bag is yellow. Choose an option. Boys. The boy's bike is red. Choose an option. Cats. The cat's bowl is empty. Choose an option. Peter's. Peter's computer is old. Choose an option. Girls. The girl's dress is purple. Choose an option. Julia's. Julia's keys are on the sofa. Choose an option. Teachers. The teacher's room is quiet. Choose an option. Dogs. The dog's water is cold. Choose an option. Mike's. Mike's sandwich is big. Choose an option. Woman's. The woman's coat is long. Choose an option. Students. The student's books are heavy. Choose an option. Child's. The child's toy is under the chair. Good job. You completed the class.
Thank you, Emma. See you in the next lesson.